Hey guys, welcome to the TC. My name's David, and today I'm going to be showing you how to clean and disinfect your AirPods. It's not too hard. So first, you're going to need a couple of things. I have some cotton pads here, like these. And you're also going to need some Q-tips, like these. You're also going to need a plastic cup and some isopropyl alcohol, okay? So what you're going to do, you're going to pour some of the isopropyl alcohol into your cup, okay? You don't need too much. And the first thing we're going to be cleaning is the exterior. So you might see that mine has some scratching and some scuffs. I can't take that out using this method, but if I do create a method, I'll let you guys know and I'll probably share it in a video. So the first thing you're going to need to do is take your cotton pad, and then I like to fold it up like this and just dip it into your alcohol. So now that your cotton pad has alcohol in the middle, you can go ahead and just wipe down the exterior surface of your AirPods. So then now that this is clean, we have to focus on what's inside, the actual AirPods themselves. So we can go ahead, take them out. And your case might be dirty too, like this, where it has some lint and stuff like that. I'm also going to be showing you guys how you can take that out. But first, let's start with the AirPods themselves. So with the AirPods, you have to be more delicate because the components inside are so small and there's little holes everywhere that can allow for liquid to get in. So that's why we're using pure alcohol. We don't want to use any water or anything like that because it can get into the crevices and damage the AirPods. So what you're going to do is just, quickly go over all the surfaces of the AirPods with your cotton pad. And that's just a general disinfect of the AirPods themselves. Next, we're going to go into finer details. So we're going to need our Q-tip. So you can go ahead and put your Q-tip into your alcohol solution and just squeeze it just to get any excess liquid out. Next, you're going to want to find any trouble spots like these little holes and crevices where you can get any gunk out, especially this one where the speaker grill is. And to dry, you can use the other side. When you're cleaning it, don't apply too much pressure or you might damage the grills. Already, this one is looking so much better. And as you can see, we're actually taking off a significant amount of dirt and grime. So, on to the next one. And as you can see, this one's already looking pretty good too. So now that our AirPods are done, we can go ahead and put these to the side. Next, we're going to focus on the inside of our AirPods case. So go ahead and open it up, and you might see that you have a lot of dirt in there. We're going to use a fresh Q-tip, and we're going to go ahead and dip it into our alcohol again and squeeze out any excess. So we can go ahead and start cleaning the inside of our AirPods. If you have any of those black spots that I know that are pretty easy to get on these, this method takes it out pretty easily as well. When you're cleaning inside of these holes, don't go too deep or you might touch the contacts where the AirPods charge. Remember, use the other side to dry. And there you have it. Your AirPods case and AirPods themselves are clean. So when you're done, you can go ahead and put them back in. And that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you liked what you saw, remember to please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.